changing a few filters in time and trying to look pretty. तुम्हारी गाड़ी में AC नहीं चल रहा है? कम रखा है. Why are you sweating? I'm not sweating, but मुझे चाहिए नहीं था. ठंडी लग रही थी. तो ठंड से बेटर है कि गर्मी लगे. Yeah. Made a lot of sense. Yeah. Haley, what are your new projects? I was approached for work left, right, center the day you finished shooting.
No. I am not doing anything right now.
Haley, come on. People are dying to see you.
What? I honestly have no idea कि next project क्या होगा, but
I'm waiting for you to send me your latest promo teaser something so that I upload on Instagram. They're like, hey buddy, best of luck, kill it, this, that. May your show do really well, but not as good as Ishq Mein Mar Jaun and all of that.
नहीं, अभी I don't have any project right now lined up. We'll see that. क्या आता है क्या नहीं.
Unemployed vibe बड़ी boring है ना वैसे.
अच्छा, how do you say this? Rara army? Like
Rara army नहीं है. Rara.
Rara army?
It's just Ra-A-Ra-mi. It is Ra-A-Ra-mi.
Rarmi.
Yeah, Ra-Army.
Ra-Army. But I want to say as Rarmi.
You can say that, yeah. Whatever, yeah.
नहीं दिख रही हूँ, मुझे समझ
Stop
नहीं आ रहा.
disrespecting this, they might troll you tonight.
What?
Unless stop disrespecting them, they might troll you.
नहीं अरे.
Life is over suddenly. Anyway, मैं ना questionnaire लेकर आता हूँ Haley because you're shaking too much in that.
ठीक है.
It's just looking very odd.
साइड में देखना गाड़ी लगा देना. Okay.
Okay, wait. I found another phone. Now I don't know if I can. Yes. Wait, let me check if the WhatsApp is updated. Haley, why don't you... Do you have that questionnaire?
No, I don't have. They've not sent me.
Okay. You're not being treated as important anymore by Woot and Colors?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. They just thought that...
Suddenly, the team also is like...
क्या?
The team also is like, हाँ, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मत भेजो.
नहीं, team अभी देख रही है हमारा live chat and they've told कि please save कर देना इस live को because they want to. So you have to do that, okay? You have to save it.
I have. I'm really sorry if I offended you. I hope that I will get work after this. Shit, my WhatsApp is not getting updated. I'm getting scared, man.
What? WhatsApp क्यों update करना है?
वो जो पुराना phone उठाया ना, just to take the questionnaire. Wow, this is so exciting.
क्या questions भेजे हैं लोगों ने मुझे पता.
भाई बहुत tough questions हैं. Wait.
Really?
Yeah.
Filters.
You can change filters in the meantime because oh shit, we lose audience in the meantime. Then फिर क्या फायदा होगा?
I think they'll stick to us.
Yeah, they will. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Filter hit.
I think the first one was better. Okay.
9. Alright. Haley, just give me like some time, okay? I don't know why I started. You should have started. You have more act.
I told them that let Rahul start the live chat. I will join it.
All the trouble in the world for me.
मुझे लगा कि मैं start करूँगी, फिर मैं बातें क्या करूँगी. So I was like, you better start it.
Okay, I'm back. Wow.
Okay.
My script.
क्या questions?
Shit.
They're very tough questions.
Not really, but you know how these things are. So if I am able to open it ever, yeah, I'll just.
Sanjana is saying, Rahul, please say interesting, very interesting. यार बहुत time हो गया उसको सुने.
Interesting, very interesting.
Like not like that. Of course,
Like how?
you know how. Like Vansh style.
Manchester. No, are you? There is a lot of trouble. I can't.
देखना है, लोगों को देखना है.
Okay. So it's interesting, very interesting. I worked on my baritone, which I had course of the serial, and I can't open the questionnaire. So we'll just go back, ask a question, and we'll come back.
नहीं हो रहे questions open.
I can't open it. I just can't open it.
ठीक है.
ठीक है ना, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I'm too technically challenged. So yeah, anyway, I'll just go back and we'll do the question answer. So the first question is, Haley, in what ways are you similar to Vansh?
I'm similar to Vansh.
Yeah, that's the first question.
But I think that question is for you and not me.
No.
But
it said, what ways are you similar to Vansh?
Vansh से कोई similarity नहीं है. I don't know.
And what ways are you similar to Ridhima then?
Ridhima से